Yeah, the restoration's starting to progress again. I just picked up the body from the body guy and we got the body and paint done. Gonna start assembly here real soon. Got a little bit I gotta do before I start assembly. I told him I wanted to paint the inner fender areas myself. I want to try to duplicate my wife's original paint car. They were, from her car, it looks like they were body color and then they painted black over it. And they miss a lot of spots whenever they paint the black over it. I'm going to try to replicate her car the best I can for in the fender well area. Probably a little bit more glossy under the hood than what it ought to be, but I'm okay with that. I didn't have the front suspension or rear end ready, so I had to put these ugly ones in there just to get it home. Well, he does incredible work. Anybody's near Brazil, Indiana and needs a body guy, he does great work and very reasonably priced. Mostly does it in the summer, or in the winter months. He installs pools in the summer. This was his first car through the new paint booth. I'm way behind. There's the engine. Got it down to a short block and that's it. The heads are over there and I got parts everywhere. I haven't even got the turbo system done yet. But had a slight delay over the winter. A lot of the winter projects I had planned for it, I had something else come up and a lot more important. But I'm back on this now, so I'll try to do some more updates here in another month. Till next time.